This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Alright, we're back home in a totally different car. And also we have Isabel here. Okay, Isabel, yeah, alright. But let's take a look at the result here. You see, the SQ6 e-tron did it in 4.3 seconds. According to spec, it's 4.3, so it's right on par with the spec. And then in comparison, fat e-tron 55 is way down here. See, 5.5 seconds. So it's over a second faster than the SQ6. I mean, so the other way around. The SQ6 is way faster than the fat e-tron. And even, okay, I haven't tested, but the fat e-tron 60 is supposed to do it in 4.5 seconds. So, I mean, it is actually a relatively fast car until you compare it to another competitor. If you go up here and you look at NIO EL8, I freaking love the EL8. It did it in 3.8 seconds. It's even faster than the BMW i5 or was it the BMW i4 M50. So I mean, okay, the SQ6 is schnell, but it's not uber schnell, yeah, to put it that way. And okay, maybe the winter tires could cause slight slowness, but okay. And then when it comes to noise, really good. So what I experienced with the EV and the R5 EV tires, that it has none of that humming sound. So you see that here. 63 decibel. This is actually good. If Isabel is making lots of noise, it means that she's comfortable. If she's quiet, then it means that she's stressed out or something, or uncomfortable or skeptic. Yeah, so that's good. Okay, Isabel. But here, look, okay, so winter tires, they are categorized in their own group here because they're quieter. So 63 decibel, when I tested the Q6 in summer, it's 64.5. So, but you see here that the Q6 is on 4th place here in summer. And then the SQ6 is on, was this 6th place? Yeah, so it is just top-notch how nice and quiet the car is, and also fast, but not the fastest, not the quietest, but I mean, still pretty good. But anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later. Isabel, ha there. Come on, Isabel, ha there, ha there. Ha there. She always does that in other places. Isabel, ha there. Bah.